How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. It is insanely hot out here in Florida, so this is going to be a very quick video, but something any of you guys can do to spruce your car up, whether you're selling it or keeping it and you just want it to look good. I might be putting this truck up for sale, so I want to go ahead and clean this engine bay up so I can get some photos. And that leads me to the sponsor of this video, which is Super Clean. And you guys will get to see how awesome this product is and how quick it can get your engine bay cleaned and looking good. And I'm going to combine that with this Armor All tire foam. It's kind of a combo that I've been doing for a long time and absolutely love it. And like I said, this is a quick engine bay clean video, not one that's super detailed like I've done before, but something if you just need to get your engine bay cleaned down, whether you're working on it, you want it to look good, or you're putting it up for sale, this will make a big difference. Also, this is your chance to win some Super Clean. So at the end of the video or at any time during the video, go ahead and put a comment. I'll randomly select one of those comments and they will send you out some Super Clean for free. Nothing else you need to do. So go ahead and make a comment. Doesn't matter what it is. I'll have that randomly selected and they'll send you out a kind of little package of Super Clean for you guys absolutely free. So let's jump into this because like I said, it is insanely hot. I'm gonna use very minimal things. We're gonna cover our battery with this plastic. I've got a little brush, some old towels, some clean towels, and we're just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna probably wet this down after I spray it with Super Clean, but you guys will get to see it all because I'm gonna do it so fast that I'm gonna put it all in one video and it's not even gonna be a long one. So let's dive right in. You guys can see this is an extremely dirty engine bay. I've never cleaned this thing down. This was my parents' truck from new. I don't think they've ever done an engine bay cleaning. It's not something they really cared too much about, but they did maintain it. And so it's not the worst looking engine bay I've ever seen, but it definitely has never been scrubbed down like I'm about to do. So let's get right into this. Like I said, now Super Clean sent me out two of their products, probably the two they would send you out, and that's their concentrate and their foaming spray. Still a very concentrated spray, but this is going to be your strongest. So we're going to go ahead and just hit everything with this concentrate. I recommend throwing some goggles on, possibly a mask, because this stuff is strong. You will absolutely smell it right away, but it works, and you will get to see this live. Now, try not to hit your alternator. I might throw some plastic on that too. Take your battery negative off like I did and cover your battery. And like I said, this stuff is pretty strong, so eye protectant, mouth protectant, little bit of gust of wind and you can get this stuff in your mouth. So I'm just gonna really cover this engine with this concentrate. And then we're gonna let it sit for a little bit and we're gonna scrub it and probably hit it with the foaming. And then we'll just rinse it down and you guys are gonna see what a world of difference. All right, guys, this has been sitting for a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead just to get a little bit of cleaner on here and keep it a little bit wet because it's so hot out right now. Everything I sprayed on pretty much dried off, so I'm just gonna re-hit it with this foaming. Now, if you're not in this extreme heat like me, you probably could have just went ahead and used the scrub on it. In fact, I'm probably gonna have to hit it with water while scrubbing it because this is just drying right away. But it is absolutely working. All right, I'm gonna grab the hose and kind of hit this to keep everything a little wet. Wow, it's just coming right off. I may not even need to scrub this anymore. What a difference. Let me see if I can get you guys in there a little bit more to kind of see. Just look at these caps here, how clean they got. Very, very minimal scrubbing because it was pretty much all dried up when I was scrubbing. So really, 5-minute spray down. I'm just gonna wipe this down now, probably hit it once again with the hose, but I'm gonna keep the camera running here, put it back on our pedestal here. It is so hard to see because it is so bright out today. Hopefully you guys are getting a good view there. Wipe everything down. And guys, my favorite way to finish this off, this is an old can, there's not much left in here, but this will keep the blacks looking nice and not super glossy, but like a semi kind of satin finish. And it's good for probably a month or so. In fact, I put it on my Honda like 6 months ago and I haven't been driving it, and it still looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, this is the end of this can, but these cans are so inexpensive compared to some other stuff. I love using this as a kind of finishing product for our engine bays. Now you can let it sit on there for a little bit or just kind of wipe it in. And then I'll get you guys in here to kind of see the final results of a 5-minute super clean down of your engine bay. And like I said, I'm going to take some photos because I might be selling this truck. And it's always good to have some nice engine bay photos of a clean engine bay. Kind of lets people know that you care and take, you care about your car and you take care of it. Because most people just don't care about their engine bay, especially if you're not working on the car. But in my case, I like my engine bays to look good, so that's it. 5-minute clean down, guys. What a world of difference. Let me get some photos real quick, and that's it, guys. Like I said, comment, and one of you guys will win a little set of Super Clean. They'll ship it out for free. Nothing needs to be purchased. Just comment, and I'll randomly select it. You guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.